Hello children, this is Sarabjit here. Today we are going to learn our maths chapter number 6 is weight. Our chapter number 6 is weight. Can you see the seesaw? Which animal is heavier? Yes, elephant is heavier than the mouse. That's why the seesaw is tilted this side. Yes. Now the words heavy and light tell us the weight of an object. हम heavy और light words use करते हैं जिससे हमें weight का पता लगता है. Heavy means भारी and light means हल्का. Now can you tell me the pencil is heavier or the tiffin box? Yes. The pencil is more lighter or lighter than the tiffin box, or the tiffin box is more heavy or heavier than the pencil box. Now here you have to compare the things and write down in this table lighter and heavier. A piece of paper is lighter than the table. Yes. So I will show you some examples of heavy and light. Now look at the creams. Can you see the creams? Which cream is heavier? Yes, this cream is more heavier than this. Okay. Now can you tell me which pen is heavier? Yes, this black colored pen is more heavier than the blue pen. Now hope you all have understood the meaning of heavier and lighter. Yes. I'll show you some more examples. Now can you tell me this pencil box is more heavier or this pen is more heavier? Yes, the pencil box is more heavier than this pen. This pen is lighter than the compass. Now, comparing the weight of three objects. जब हम 3 से और 3 से ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स कंपेयर करते हैं तो वी यूज़ द वर्ड heaviest and lightest. Can you tell me which watermelon is heaviest? Yes, this watermelon is more heaviest. And which is the lightest watermelon? Yes, this is the lightest watermelon. Now we will solve this exercise. Tick the lightest object. Which is the lightest object? Matchbox, this nail, or book? Yes, the nail is the lightest. Now this table is the lightest, sofa or this small sofa? Which is the lightest? Yes, the table is lightest. Now in this question, tick the heaviest object. Bottle, this bottle or bucket? Yes, this is the heaviest. Now can you tell me which is the heaviest in this picture? TV, mixer or fridge? Yes, fridge is the heaviest. Now in this, tell me which is the heaviest object? Yes, this is the heaviest. Now look here. Which one is heavier? Balloon is heavier or ball is heavier? Yes, the ball is heavier. The balloon is big, but the weight of the ball is more. So this is heavier than the balloon. put tick mark on the heavier object. Apple is heavier or strawberry? Yes, apple is heavier. Now in this, paper is heavier or newspaper is heavier? Newspaper is heavier. Now in this picture, potato is more heavier or ladyfinger? Yes, potato is more heavier. Now in this, empty bottle is heavier or filled bottle? Yes, filled bottle is heavier. Now we are going to some more examples. Now this is the concept of thick and thin. Look at the picture below. Which pencil is thicker? Pencil A or pencil B? Yes, pencil A is thicker and pencil B is thinner. Thicker means ज़्यादा मोटा and thin means पतला. Look at another example. Now, we compare three or more objects. We use the word thickest or thinnest. हम जब थ्री और थ्री से ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करते हैं तो वी यूज़ द वर्ड थिकेस्ट एंड थिनेस्ट. दिस इज़ द थिकेस्ट वन and this is the thinnest paper roll. Okay, now I'll show you some examples. Look here. Tick the thinner and cross the thicker object. Now here you have to tick the thinner. A candle is thinner or B candle? Yes, A candle is thinner. You have to put tick here and cross over here. A is thicker or B is thicker? Which bottle is thicker? Yes, A bottle is thicker. Put wrong over here and tick on thinner. Now which eraser is thicker and which is thinner? B eraser is thicker. So put cross here and A eraser is thinner. Now look at this example. Which log is thicker and thinnest? A is thicker. Put cross over here and B log is thinner. Now look here. Next question. Tick the thickest and cross on thinnest. In this you have to put tick on thickest and cross on thinnest. Yes, this pencil is thickest and this is the thinnest pencil. Which book is thickest? Tell me, which book is thickest? This is the thickest book. And which is the thinnest book? This. Now which brush is thickest? Can you tell me the thickest brush? Yes, this is the thickest brush and this is the thinnest brush. Now here, yes, this is the thickest and this is the thinnest. Now I'll show you some examples of thickest, thinnest. I'll show you some examples. Can you tell me which is the thicker tube and cream and which is the thinner cream? Yes, this is the thinner cream and this is the thicker cream. Okay, now I'll show you some more examples. Can you tell me which is the thinner pan and which is the thicker pan? Yes, this black pan is thicker and this blue pan is thinner. Okay. Now look at these bottles. Which is the thicker bottle and thinner bottle? Yes, this is the thicker bottle and this bottle is thinner. Hope you all have understood the concepts. Thank you.